Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to remove silent mode on iPhone. If you are using an iPhone and your phone must have at silent mode, now you want to remove it. So let's see how can you do this. First you have to open settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for sounds and haptics. Select it and here you can see the silent mode. You just have to turn it off and it will be disabled. But here this second way, which is you just have to scroll down your control panel and here you can see the silent mode has been enabled. Just tap on it and the silent mode will be disabled. But here's the third way, which is the newest models of iPhone having an action button. You must have to press and hold it to remove silent mode. Just press and hold and then your phone will be moved to silent mode. So that's how you can easily remove silent mode on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.